Hello everyone, today we're gonna play the boss squad. So today we begin with stage number 167. Let's try with this. Boom baby. Oh my god, explode bitch. Kaboom. Booyah. I think for this level we need Lobber at level 4, but I have it at level 3, so let's try. In fact, I hit the button, let me try. So, kaboom baby. Omega, perfect. Yeah. For this level, I am using Lobber at level 3, but bots are at level 6. So, fuck. You know what? Fuck. That bitch. Where are the other portions? Oh shit. Oh fucking shit. They are too many. Oh fucking shit. Oh fucking hell. Come on. Enough great bitch. Come on. What the fuck? What? Are you fucking serious, man? Oh my god. Oh my god. You fucking hassle. Hassles. Oh my god. Leaking motherfucking. Hey, motherfucking. Something. Okay. No, what? Are you fucking serious? Oh my god. Oh my god. Nope. You should not pass. 3 stars, baby. Booyah. The power up is gone. Yes. Come on. Oh yeah. What the fuck is that? What? Okay. No. 9. I was saying shit. Okay, so Blitzer, I believe in you. Are you fucking kidding? Are you seriously fucking kidding? This one is really hard. Oh my god. No Blitzer. Oh. I fucking hate this one. Because, are you fucking serious, man? Are you fucking serious? Let's try. Wait. Stupid. No. Nope. Wait a second. Have to think. Blah blah blah. So. Thank you so much, you know. Come on, go. Go, please. Thank you, faster. It will help me read a lot. Thank you so much. While you're there, you have to go there. Of course, thank you. You fucking asshole. You go there. You go there. And finally we can hit the has of this bitch. Come on. Come on. Come on. And now I think that you have to do something, but I don't know what you have to do, because I don't like this one. And perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you fucking serious? I don't like this game. Note this game, this level. Sorry. I love this game. But sometimes it's really fucking... oh god, hard. So, go, you motherfucking hassle. You have to go there. Everyone. Booyah, baby. Hit my ass. Oh my god, what the fuck, man? Are you fucking serious? Now I have to think. Nope. Come on. No, you're not fair. Now we can do this. This is the second time that I play this fucking shit. Come on, baby. We can do this. We can fucking do this. Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious, I say? Come on. Come on. I believe in you. Thank you. You are a really, really good person. I love you so much. And now you have to stay calm. Fuck this shit. This is what I think when you die, but go. Thank you. I love you so much. I have tank at level 10. Yes, of course. And thank you. Really gently. Fuck, I forgot to destroy that blocker. Okay, but you can do this. Thank you. And now, everyone. Yes, of course. I am drunk. Okay. And this is good. And healthy for me. Thank you, love you. So, for today we have done our 5 levels, of course. We have done these 5 levels. Hope you like it. In fact, if you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. It will help me really a lot. I know that I am the only one who is fucking doing this game, but I love it. Yes, of course, I love it. I am enjoying really much this game, and I hope you do the same. So we'll see us in the next one. So tomorrow with a new episode. I don't know if I will play this game, but of course, let's see. So, bye to everyone, and goodbye.